New CRISPR tech could help us create superior crops of the future. Gene activation could give crops a genetic boost, helping them grow faster and in a changing climate. New CRISPR tech could assist us with making unrivaled harvests of things to come on. Offer new CRISPR tech could assist us with making prevalent yields of things to come on. Once more, CRISPR innovation that spotlights on enacting qualities, as opposed to removing them, has demonstrated exceptionally viable in a few sorts of plants, recommending it could assist us with making the predominant yields of things to come. Quality enactment. CRISPR is an instrument for altering a life form's genome. Frequently, this implies slicing DNA to deactivate or supplant bothersome qualities. Yet the tech can likewise expand the outflow of advantageous qualities, basically turning their dial up to 11. Through actuation, you can truly inspire pathways or improve existing limit, even accomplish a novel capacity. University of Maryland scientist Yiping Qi, who drove the advancement of the new tech, said in a public statement. Rather than closing things down, you can exploit the usefulness as of now there in the genome and upgrade what you know is valuable. Why it is important? The total populace is developing, which means we have more individuals to take care of than any other time. Simultaneously, environmental change is making it harder for certain harvests to develop as viably as they once did. On the off chance that we can utilize quality actuation to help harvests' innate capacities, we could possibly expand yields notwithstanding an evolving environment, guaranteeing nobody needs to go hungry. The test. Getting CRISPR to precisely and productively support the capacity of different qualities all at once is troublesome, and that has restricted our capacity to utilize quality initiation to foster better yields. Specialists could possibly expand the outflow of qualities that assist the yield with developing or qualities that assist it with flourishing more sultry environments, for instance, yet not those simultaneously. How it functions. Qi's group has fostered another CRISPR innovation, CRISPR Act 3.0, that can build the statement of up to 7 positive qualities in a single singular motion. In another examination, the group showed that the framework could precisely and proficiently increment the enactment of numerous qualities in rice, tomatoes, and rockcress. It does this by enlisting proteins that increment the initiation of the qualities and afterward restricting them to exact areas in the plant's genome, no DNA cutting required. How might you assist plants with doing with their innate capacities? Yiping Qi. Special reward. This tech wouldn't just be valuable for boosting qualities we definitely know are alluring, yet additionally discovering new ones. Analysts could enact an assortment of qualities in a plant and check whether it prompts any accommodating characteristics. We can configuration, tailor, and track quality enactment with this new framework for a bigger scope to evaluate for qualities of significance, Qi said. What's next? Qi is cheerful the new CRISPR innovation will open new entryways in crop rearing and improvement, assisting analysts with creating plants upgraded for the evolving scene. Individuals consistently talk about how people have potential on the off chance that you can sustain and advance their normal abilities, he said. This innovation is invigorating to me since we are advancing exactly the same thing in plants. How might you elevate their capability to assist plants with doing with their inherent capacities?